Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write emails 10 times faster, whether it's for your work, networking, client follow-ups, or support. So I'll even give you my favorite prompts that you can use to copy and use it the right way. So if you write emails daily, this video will save you hours and make you look super professional. So let's jump right in. So here, once you open up your ChatGPT, here I'm using the ChatGPT 4. Different models. When you want to look at the models, once you open up your ChatGPT, let me just go ahead. You open up your browser. Then I have saved my shortcut here. Once I click on it, it will open up. There's Canvas where now I have this section where I can add images here, add photos and files if you want to do that directly from your computer, because once you click on these, it will give you these two options that you can use, add photos and files. So once you select that option, it takes you to a computer where you can select the document or the image that you want to add to your ChatGPT so that you write an email. Then here you have different tools you can also integrate into your ChatGPT to make sure that you get the best output. You can also even go ahead and dictate your prompts if you're using uh, if you allow this microphone to open, then you can dictate rather than typing, and this one will make your work quite faster and efficient. So here I am using the ChatGPT 4 4.0 model. So these other three, like this 103 uses advanced meaning reasoning, or 4 mini. This one is or 4 mini high and or 4 mini. These ones are very good when it comes to coding, but I'm using this the one that you subscribe. So let's say, for example, you want to come up with an email. I will give you the best prompts that you can use. For example, we have these prompts. You can go ahead and write there. And this prompt is saying, write a professional email to a colleague about scheduling our team meeting from Wednesday to Friday at 10 a.m. So you can go ahead and click enter. Then ChatGPT will directly give you or write for you the email. And here it says, here is your professional email about rescheduling the team meeting. So the subject is given you the subject of your email, that is rescheduling team meeting to Friday at that time. Then here you have the name of your colleague. You can even go ahead and prompt it later to put the name there and even the position if needed. So let's say, for example, here it has already given you the email. I hope you're doing well. Then I've written the content that you want, changing the time from Wednesday to Friday at 10 a.m. So let's say, for example, your name is, let's say you create another prompt. You want it to insert the name of your colleague. So like, for example, the name of my colleague, of my colleague is, let's say, for example, is Robin. Then you click enter. Immediately ChatGPT will insert the name hi Robin, then continue writing other details. So you can even go ahead and write in the name, give it your name, then it will go ahead and prompt you. So what you do is just come here, then copy this content and paste it on your email, then to make sure that you want the desired email for you. The other one is you can get that was the first prompt when you may be sending the message to writing prompts to your friends and all that, or general professionalism. Then there's also these different prompts or the emails that you can send to your job application. So let's say, for example, I have an email like this. I'll give you the sample, and I want to write an email to my job application. What I'll do is like write a brief and enthusiastic email applying for a marketing assistant role. You can give here, you can put here if you are applying for maybe another different role, like for example, development, web development or something else. You can just come and put it here. Then mention my attached resume and availability for a new interview. So if you have a resume, you just go ahead and add it. Like, for example, let me add mine so that ChatGPT can be able to read and understand your work using your resume. So you go directly and check where you saved your resume. Then once you put it in there, here's my resume. I just upload it. Then it will go ahead and upload your resume in there. Then once uploaded, now it has all the information that you need to make sure that now it is well prompted. Then you can go ahead and click enter. So once you click enter, it will read the resume, the one that you have. So let's say, for example, here, subject application for marketing assistant position. Then it has gone through your resume and found the best skills and also the tools that you can use. So here, for example, I am writing to express my interest in the marketing assistant position at your organization with a strong background in data analysis, uses engagement tools like, for example, Google Analytics and Mixpanel and passion. So these skills have been extracted from your resume and it's writing this information from your resume. Even here, it has given you the names that appear there, the email, the LinkedIn profile, and the number that is coming from your resume. Then the next prompt that you can use is what we call the follow-up email after no response. So let's say, for example, you've written your email to a company and nobody has responded. And this is the best prompt that you can use to follow up your prompt. So write a polite follow-up email to a client I contacted last week about our proposal. So keep it short and professional. Then you click enter. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and provide for you a very good email that here like for a short, clear, and precise. So it's saying, I just wanted to follow up on the proposal I sent last week and see if you had any questions or feedback. I'll be happy to provide any additional details you might need. So looking forward to hear from you. And that is the best. The fourth prompt is the customer support prompt that you can also write in your ChatGPT to give you the best output. So here is the prompt. Just write a polite response to a customer who's frustrated their packages hasn't arrived. Apologies and offer tracking info. Then you click enter. Then immediately it will go ahead and generate for you the best output uh, uh, of your email. And always give ChatGPT context. Make sure you give it the context, who you are writing to, what is about, and the tone. The tone is very key because sometimes you might write an email that sounds kind of rude and all that. So use prompts like make it shorter, add enthusiasm, or rephrase more formally to get the perfect version. So don't copy blindly, just tweak the output to match your voice and double check details. Always make sure you double check your details. So in the real world workflow, you can save your favorite prompts in Notion, Google Docs, or email template. So that that way, next time you're stuck, just copy and paste or edit your prompt somewhere to make sure that you give the best output from your ChatGPT. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to write emails 10 times faster. Comment below with your favorite email prompt. I might include it in the next video. Like if you learned something new, subscribe for more AI productivity tips, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.